Hi, kids! Are you ready to dive into the ocean and learn all about one of the smartest, friendliest animals in the sea? That's right. Today we're learning all about dolphins. They're super fast, love to play, and they even talk to each other. Let's dive in and meet them now.
What is a dolphin?
Dolphins are mammals just like us. That means they breathe air, have warm blood, and take care of their babies. Even though they live in the ocean, dolphins are not fish. They swim with their tails up and down, not side to side like fish do. There are over 40 types of dolphins, and they live all around the world, in warm oceans, rivers, and even near icy waters. The most famous dolphin is the bottlenose dolphin. They're the ones you see in shows and cartoons. Pop quiz! Are dolphins mammals or fish? Say it out loud. If you said mammals, great job. Did you know dolphins have their own language? They use clicks, whistles, and even body movements to talk to each other. Each dolphin has a special whistle, like a name, so they can call their friends or family. Sometimes dolphins slap the water with their tails or leap out of the ocean to share a message, like, "Hey, food over here!" They are one of the smartest animals in the world. Some scientists say dolphins are as smart as a 4-year-old kid. Dolphins love to eat fish and squid. Yum! They don't use forks or spoons. They catch their food with their mouths and swallow it whole. Some dolphins hunt in groups, working together to trap fish like a team of underwater ninjas. That's called teamwork, and dolphins are great at it. Baby dolphins are called calves. They're born underwater and swim right away with help from their moms. Dolphin moms take really good care of their babies. They feed them milk and keep them safe in their pod. Sometimes other dolphins help take care of the babies, like dolphin babysitters. Dolphins love to jump and spin and splash. It's not just fun, it also helps them move fast and stay healthy. Some dolphins even do flips or surf waves. They're like ocean gymnasts. And guess what? Dolphins in aquariums learn tricks by playing games and getting tasty treats. Dolphins live all over the world, in oceans, seas, and even some rivers. They like warm water best, but some live near icy places like the Arctic too. Dolphins live in groups called pods, and sometimes hundreds of them swim together in a superpod. Imagine a whole dolphin party in the ocean. Splash, splash! Dolphins need clean oceans to stay healthy. That means no trash, no plastic, and lots of fish. We can help dolphins by throwing garbage in bins, using less plastic, and keeping beaches clean. Some people even rescue dolphins that get hurt or stuck. Isn't that amazing? Let's play a quick dolphin review game. What do dolphins eat?
Fish.
What do baby dolphins drink?
Milk.
Are dolphins smart or silly?
Super smart.
You learned so much about dolphins today. You're now a real dolphin expert. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and watch more fun ocean animal adventures. See you next time. Keep swimming, little explorer.
Thanks for diving into the world of sea animals with us today. See you again tomorrow for more ocean fun.